area right here, the sitting area outside. We got the little slide, you can go down the tubes. And like I said, I love these areas. I just want to show y'all more of it. I'm on the back side of it now. That's what this whole part. Yeah, man. Like I said, they got the sitting area. Watch your kids, children while you're out here. Sit down. And they have a blast. I think some kids out here have their parents just as excited as they are about this water area here. They really do good with this. So just wanted to share a little bit more of that. Again, we're in front of the Lido deck up here on the floor. Another one of the pool area. That's where you see the sail away parties at. That's my area. I love that area.